Before I started the life coaching class with Student Reach, I was struggling with making goals for myself, and I had a lot of bad habits that, I couldn't get rid of. One big impact Student Reach has made in my life is showing me that, with a group of people, you can get things done. Showing me that I don't need to always be alone, that I can ask for help, and it's okay to have people help. When you go to Mexico, you get your life changed, you change someone else's life. Mexico, it was so amazing, and I learned so much, and it has to be my top favorite thing that I've done with Student Reach. I've gotten better with communicating, being assertive, taking initiative, knowing that it's important to set goals, so I've set a few goals for myself.
If you could tell someone who's never been involved with Student Reach, what is the one reason why they should help fund Student Reach life coaching program?
Because they're all about helping people and giving back to the community and reaching out to kids. It's all authentic, it's real. It's not put together and fake. It's they actually care what they do and how they impact everyone.